Why, hello there. Your girl got a little bit more blonde. I'm gonna put this in just to get the hair out of the way. So today we are going to create a colorful eye makeup look that involves green and purple. And I got inspired by this necklace that was given to me at work from one of my kiddos. This is it. So it's like it's a different kind of necklace, but it has like all these little like green, purple, black stuff. And I was like, this would be so pretty to do a tutorial on, like just green and purple. And I have this eyeshadow palette. This is from Jazz Z Cosmetics. And look at these colors. Like when I got this, I was like, girl, I literally like, this is a person who loves color stream because you have all neons. I've never tried these before, so I'm excited. We're gonna try them today together. Today we're gonna start off with the eyes, and I will conceal with my Sephora concealer. It's a little bit more lighter than my this is like for a highlighted look, if you will. But this one's like pretty much empty. This one's the concealer that everybody hated because of the applicator. Like you had to dot it instead of just the normal type of concealer where you just swoop on. Blend this out. I don't know if there's any fallout with these eyeshadows. That's why we're going to be starting with this eyes. That's why we're starting with the eyes. If you haven't seen any of my latest videos, I basically explained in the description box that I currently am in school right now. So my uploads won't be as consistent as like twice a week that I was doing. And might be just doing once a week, the most, maybe once every 2 weeks. Just apologizing in advance because I also am working full time, so just a heads up. Right, so I'm not gonna set the concealer because I want like the most pigment. I need to look at this because I really don't even know what I want to do. We're gonna start off with this color right here and just blow it out on the crease. I go on this company's website, but I couldn't for some reason, so I can't link it down below. I don't know. I got it in my kit from school, so sorry. I thought of this of like Halloween color or Halloween inspo. Yes. And I'm wearing a purple shirt today. Kind of like bringing it way in here. Pretty pigmented, just need to pack it on because it starts fading away if you blend it out, but I wouldn't say it's terrible. Now we're gonna go into this color right here at the bottom of that. This one's like a little bit pink. Yeah, it's more pink. Like a fuchsia. It's like a navy color. It looks like really dark purple, but almost navy, that one. And I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer corner, doing a halo. There. It's like a really dark purple, but it's coming off like, it looks navy in the pan. These are really pigmented colors. Wow, that's really pretty. And I'm just patting it on this center and out here. Okay, I'm gonna go back with my Beverly Tools brush and just blend this, fuse them together. Now for the lid color, I don't know if I should put concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer in the center so it can like pop a little bit, you know. The fun part, the green. I don't know which color to use, if I should use this one or this one or this like lime color. I actually like this one, green, this one right. Holy shit, it's not too bad. I'm gonna add this one on top, the more like deeper green, not as bright but more true green. Oh, that actually made it nice. Take the little pencil brush that I had earlier. It doesn't have anything on it. I'm just gonna blend it out. It's like a fade. I also did see Makeup by Trains do a look like this, and I was trying to go back for a reference picture, but I couldn't find that. I couldn't find that picture. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye.
Go, go, I'll go where you need.
Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer Primer. Nice primer if you have dry skin or sensitive skin. Just gives you like a nice little luminosity. Nothing too intense, which is why I really like it. I'm gonna use a pore filling primer right after this. I'm gonna use this for the pores. Whoa, I put too much on this side. I normally would want to concealer, but I'm gonna try to change it up a bit. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me. I have two shades, 310 and 330. Just because this is like my non-summer shade and this is my tan summer shade. For concealer, we're using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, which I've been actually really enjoying as a concealer. I don't see a comparison to the Tarte Shape Tape that people are like duping this for, so I don't know. I don't see it because this Tarte Shape Tape is more of a drying formula. This one is hydrating, at least for me. I really like it. I've been loving the Wet n Wild contour to like contour. I really like it a lot. Use the RCMA No Color Powder. Haven't used this one in a minute. My Sephora drops. Let's see how this works. I don't know if I will like it.